Let's stroll around Bellagio. Bellagio, often referred to as the Pearl of Lake Como, is a picturesque village located on the promontory where Lake Como's three branches meet. Its history dates back to ancient times, making it a place of significance throughout the ages. During the Roman era, Bellagio was a popular holiday destination for wealthy Romans who were drawn to its natural beauty and mild climate. Over the centuries, it became a favorite spot for Italian nobility and aristocrats who built grand villas and gardens along the lakefront. In the 19th century, Bellagio became a renowned tourist destination for European elites. Writers, artists, and intellectuals were captivated by its charm and sought inspiration from the serene surroundings. Today, Bellagio continues to attract visitors from all around the world who comes to admire its beauty, historical landmarks, and elegant ambience. Things you can do in Bellagio are you can explore the historic center, stroll through the Bellagio's charming streets and alleys in the historic center, admire the well-preserved architecture and beautiful facades, which showcase a blend of medieval and Renaissance style. Visit the Villa Melzi Gardens, which is an elegant neoclassical villa. Boasts beautiful gardens adorned with sculptures and rare plant species. You can take leisure walks throughout the gardens, offering stunning views of Lake Como. Also visit Villa Serbelloni. Although the villa is privately owned and not open to public, its lush gardens can be visited by appointments. The terrace gardens offer breathtaking panoramas of Lake Como and the surrounding mountains. You can take advantage of lake's crystal clear water, indulging in various water sport activities such as sailing, kayaking, and paddleboarding. You can also embark on a boat tour around Lake Como, offering mesmerizing views of the surrounding mountains and luxurious villas along the shores. Savor traditional Italian cuisine in the local territories and restaurants. Bellagio is known for its delicious seafood dishes and mouth-watering pastas. Treat yourself to authentic Italian gelato from one of the charming gelaterias scattered around the village. Some famous places in Bellagio include Piazza San Giacomo, the main square of Bellagio lined with cafes and shops, perfect for relaxing and people watching. Basilica of San Giacomo, a historic church featuring beautiful artwork and frescoes dating back to the 12th century. Punta Spartivento, the point where Lake Como's three branches meet, offering stunning panoramic views. Bellagio's enchanting beauty, rich history, and array of activities make it a must-visit destination on any Lake Como's itinerary. Its timeless charm continues to captivate visitors, making it a truly unforgettable experience. From Bellagio, now I'll be moving towards Lake Lugano, which is in Switzerland. I'll see you in the next video and we'll stroll around Lugano.